Okay, so this is a dual D-10, a 10 by 24 magnetic chuck, and what the guy's doing is he's remachining or remanufacturing a Kurt angle lock vise. It's just an example of what you can do on a large machine. I have a set of 4, they're going to be all reground within a thousandth of each other. No sense in buying new ones. Any holes that have been drilled or milling has been done on the vices, has been filled in with weld and ground off. So we're going to take the worst one, do it first. And we're getting a good finish too. Yeah, that's a 32 on there. You can't see it, but I can see it. I'm liking it.